In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add check-in and check-out times on Booking.com. Clear arrival and departure hours help guests plan their trip and reduce last-minute questions. You'll do this from the Booking.com extranet on a desktop browser. Make sure you can access your property's dashboard. Start by signing in to the extranet at admin.booking.com. Once you're on your property dashboard, look to the top menu and click the Property tab. This tab holds your core settings. From the drop-down, choose Policies. Policies control what guests see about rules and timing on your listing and in their booking details. On the Policies page, scroll down until you reach the section called Guest Information. To change what's displayed, click Edit next to that section. This opens the fields where you can set exactly when guests may arrive and when they should depart. You'll see two key areas. First, check-in from and check-in to. Use these to define the window when arrivals are welcome. For example, you might set check-in from 1400 and check-in to 2200 if you don't accept late-night arrivals. If you're flexible and allow arrivals any time after a certain hour, choose the start time and leave the end time open where available. These options use standard time slots such as 1400, 1500, and so on, so pick the times that best match your operations. Next, set checkout until. This is the latest time you want guests to depart on their checkout day. Choose a time that gives your team enough room for cleaning and turnover, like 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. If your exact preference isn't listed, select the closest available slot so your expectations remain clear. After setting your times, save your changes. Saving updates your listing immediately, and guests will see the check-in and check-out hours on your property page, in their booking details, and in confirmation communications. A few practical tips as you choose these windows. Consider your housekeeping schedule, local quiet hours, and whether you offer luggage storage for early arrivals or late departures. Be consistent across your house rules and templates so guests receive one message. Remember that times are displayed in 24-hour format and reflect your property's local time zone, keeping information straightforward for international travelers. That's it. With these settings in place, guests know exactly when to arrive and depart, and you set expectations that support smooth operations and better reviews.